Hi everyone, again it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, I will give another example about operation and functions. So first, addition muna tayo. So we have the quantity of f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So dito guys, we simply add the two functions for the f of x and then for the g of x. Ipagko-combine lang natin yung dalawang functions na to. So copy ko muna to, yung equation natin or yung formula. So this becomes quantity f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So guys, dito we will plug in or substitute only the f of x, right? Yung f of x natin dito ay 5x minus 2 over 3. So we are in addition, copy plus, and then g of x, which is negative 7x plus 3 over 4. Copy lang natin to guys. So pwede rin maglagay tayo ng parenthesis dyan para hindi kayo malito. So paano tayo mag-add ng magkaiba ng denominator or different fractions or dissimilar fractions? So kukunin natin yung LCD ng 3 and 4. Okay, list down natin yung factors ng 3. So 3 times 1 equals 3, times 2 equals 6, times 3 equals 9, times 4 equals 12, right? So yung 4 naman, 4 times 1 is equal to 4, 4 times 2 equals 8, 4 times 3 equals 12. So dito guys, nakita naman natin na meron tayong magkaparehas, which is 12. Okay? So therefore, ang LCD natin dito ay 12. Okay? So ganun lang kasimple. So 12 divided by 3 ay 4, right? So write 4 here as your numerator and then multiply it by the numerator, 5x minus 2. Okay, plus, kasi nasa addition tayo, 12 divided by 4 ay 3, right? So sulat natin dito yan, times the quantity of negative 7x plus 3. Okay, nasundan ba ako guys? And then, simplify natin to guys. So 4 times 5x, 20x, right? And then, 4 times negative 2, the answer is negative 8. So 3 times negative 7x, negative 21x. 3 times positive 3 equals 9. And then write your denominator, which is 12, right? So simplify natin to guys. 20x minus 21x. The answer will be negative x only, no? And then negative 8 plus 9, positive 1 over 12. So, ito na yung sagot natin guys. So, kung may natutunan sa video ito, paki-like and share. Thank you for watching.